Now let's analyze GBPJPY. I would like to let me clear everything on my chart and then I'll start again all over. I like to do that, so I'll go straight to the 1 month time frame. Now I don't trade the 1 month time frame, but I just like to look at what price is doing. So you can see that GBPJPY has been bullish for a very long time, has been buying and price, and we just closed above. We've closed above this level already. You can see the price is here, so we're above this level. So GBPJPY is just buying right now. So I'll go to the weekly time frame to see what's up with GBPJPY. Weekly time frame, based on structure, we can see that we have a break of structure here on the weekly time frame. Break of structure, then another break of structure right here in the weekly time frame, another break of structure right there. And if we are looking at this break of structure, we'll be looking at this other block right here. But let's see what price does. So we'll go to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, we fix this. On the daily time frame, this is what we have on, and from the daily time frame, this is the other block from the weekly that we just marked. So I'll be refining that. So from the daily time frame, this is it. But again, from the daily time frame, we can see that there's also another other block right here, which is where price reacted before breaking structure. And then we also have another valid break of structure right here on the daily time frame. We have valid break of structure, and I'll be working with the most recent break of structure, which means it's going to be this one I just mapped out. So I'll be highlighting this other block. This is where I'll be looking to I'm looking to trade this market. So from the weekly time frame, from the daily time frame rather, this is it. This is the break of structure. This is the other block which caused the break of structure, and then this is it, right? From the daily time frame. And price has been falling. You can see that price has been falling. Then and this is going to be where we'll be looking to take profits. Price has been falling for a couple of days. We've had 1, 2, 3 days. Now this is the 4th day price is falling, so we should be looking to continue selling this market because that's the daily. I'm a day trader, so we'll be looking to continue selling this market from here up to this level. Then we'll look for confirmations to see. If not, then we'll look at this other level down here, right? So I'll be going to the 4 hours time frame where I'll be reading my structure from the 4 hours time frame. This is where I'll be reading structure. So from 4 hours time frame, this is the other block right here. You find that daily other block is right there from 4 hours time frame. And I like what I'm seeing on 4 hours time frame, because this is what I'm seeing on 4 hours time frame right now. And GBPJPY, this is going to be my liquidity, which price will sweep before tapping into my other block, this kind of equal lows right here. So I'll mark that out as my liquidity. Price will sweep before tapping into my other block. And that is not just the only liquidity, by the way. We have a 4-hour low, 4-hour swing, 4-hour candle close here. This is another liquidity point right here. I'll be marking that out as my liquidity point number 2. So I'll be looking to continue. I'll be looking to buy this market the moment price taps into this level. I'll be looking to buy this market, but I'll go down on lower time frame to see if I can get confirmation to sell this market. If not, I'll just wait. I'll go to the 1 hour time frame to see if I have opportunities to sell this market. On 1 hour time frame, I don't really have any opportunity to sell this market, right? If I'm to sell this market from 1 hour time frame, if I'm to do anything, it'd be here, because this is the only unmitigated order block right now. This will be it. This is where I will be looking to maybe sell this market. But right? This is the only unmitigated level, because you know when price gave us a high, low here, another high, price came back to the order block, sold to the downside here, went back up, sold again. Now it's gone back up. Now price came down but did not break this level. If price had closed below this level, we're looking to sell from here to this area, but price failed to close below this level, so I will not be selling GBPJPY. I'll be waiting for price to fall. But I think should price want to fall, price might fall from here. So if price trade up to that level, if price continue buying up to this level, then I'll be looking. So yeah, if price trades up to this level, if price buys up to this level, then I'll be looking to, I'll be using confirmation entry. Since I'm the 1 hour time frame, I'll be using confirmation entry on the 5 minutes, which will be a market structure shift, to actually sell this market to this side before buying to the upside. So right now, why the market is here, why the market is trading within this range, I don't want to do anything. I don't just want to do anything. The only criteria for me to sell this market is that the market gets up here, or the market continue buying, selling down, and then I look for my buy opportunities right here on this 4 hour order block. That is all. And when price gets to this, my 4 hour order block I've marked right here, I'll be using confirmation entry again. I'll be using confirmation entry, a market structure shift entry right here. I'll be using confirmation entry like this. Now I'll be using this entry on the 15 minutes time frame to continue buying this market up here. Why would I be using confirmation entry? I'll be using confirmation entry because right below this level, right, we have this order block here, and again we also have a double bottom. It's a double bottom pattern here, or equal lows, and that is liquidity, right? So that is liquidity. So it is very possible that price might even break through this 4 hour order block and continue selling to this one before buying up. So I'll be keeping my eyes open. So that's why I'll be using confirmation entry to understand that price has really changed direction from here, and then I start buying to the upside from the 15 minutes. If not, I'll be looking to buy from this level. So this is my analysis on GBPJPY for today. This is my analysis on GBPJPY for today. So I'll keep things very open. GBPJPY very open. This is my analysis on GBPJPY for today. This is my analysis. Let me zoom it. You can look at the price levels, right? This is my analysis on GBPJPY. I'll be looking for confirmation between 217.686 and 217.299, and I'll be looking to trade the market right up to 219.594. so this is my analysis. But should price break, I'll be looking for my new entry, so 215.547 and 215.024. so this is my analysis on GBPJPY.